Hello, this is Eric of Sparky Studio, and welcome to my test, reception distance test, of the Nucleus Nano 2 from Tilta. This is a self-purchase. But before I do this reception distance test, let's see what's included in this particular package, including how I power this. I have some tricks up my sleeve. We'll get to that momentarily, but let's make this quick before we do that reception distance test so I don't have to bore you with details that everyone else has shown. So here I have it powered on, though this is not going to have power unless we power by USB. I have a setup where I can do my camera, my task cam, this, as well as an on-camera monitor with one battery. If you haven't seen this channel, you don't know anything about what I really do here. I tweak things to make it more convenient. This is a gear. I'm going to be using a seamless gear, which I personally own, because this way I don't have limitations of having a notch on this. And of course, I have a camera cage for attaching this, and our key here, Allen key, is for tightening this. So let's get this set up and show you what it looks like. And here's my Frankenstein camera setup. We have an NPF battery plate with a nice large battery powering my dummy battery to my camera. We have the Rode wireless Go 2, and that is connected to my lavalier, which I'm speaking through, and also a camera monitor powered by that NPF battery plate, and my Tilta, all powered by the same power plate. And we can see this is working. And to mount the handle, you'll see that this is different. This is from the SmallRig F60 manual follow focus. This is the rod from this Tilta. And here's that nice handle, which has that NATO mount. And of course that NATO mount, SmallRig, right on top. Now my particular camera is the Fujifilm X-S20. It's not yet supported by Tilta. They did notify me that they'll have support soon enough. Now, the one thing the firmware update did for me is it makes focus pulling a lot more sensitive. And right now I'm using my lavalier to see where my eyes are about in focus. And let's see, oh, wow, that's fast. There's my computer tower. And I'm right about there with my eyes. Let's pull back and blur myself out again. And okay, either way, we are going to head outside right away. Now, if I did put A, B hard stop points, it'd been easy for me to go here to my tower or whatever, back and forth. And it actually locks into place. It's interesting. You can even make it so you can freely turn it as well, which I didn't set to on yet. But either way, cool stuff. Let's get out there and test reception distance. It's time to do a reception distance test with the Tilta to see how far we can get reception distance wirelessly. And is it working? Yes, it is. Okay, good. Now, I won't be able to see the screen properly. It's only 5.5 inches in size. So I'm very limited in terms of how far I can see this. And right now we're at 15 feet, 4.5 meters away. And let's see if this works. I can see I went blurry on the screen and now back more so in focus. Let's do a turnaround and opposite direction, reception blocking. And is that going to work? I don't know, but we'll both find out on playback. 25 feet, 7.5 meters away. Let's see if I can even see if it's working or not. Oh, yes, it's still working. I can see the screen still going blurry and see if we get reception or not when we're blocking. So we're at 50 feet away, 15 meters away. Let's do a focus check. And now back towards me. And now let's block again to see if it works. And back away, and now going towards me. 75 feet, 25 meters. Now I'm blurring back, and let's go back towards me, towards infinity. 100 feet, 30 meters. Let's go towards there and go back towards me for focus. 125 feet, 37.5 meters away. Let's see if we focus back. And let's focus back towards me and see if there's any problems at all. And I'm going to keep on going. May not seem like it, but this is really heavy to carry like this with my arms stretched out. Okay, we are at 150 feet, 45 meters away. Let's go blur myself out if it's working and pulling focus towards me. 175 feet, 52.5 meters away. And can you still see if I'm focusing and out of focus? Focus back towards me. And again, let's go blur myself out and go back to me. 200 feet, 60 meters away. We're gonna blur myself out now on that camera. And let's go back towards myself. 225 feet, 67.5 meters. And now rack focus back towards myself. And let's keep going. We're now at 250 feet, 75 meters away. Let's try this again. And go blur myself out. And then back towards myself. Did that work? 300 feet, 90 meters away. And let's try this. Pulling focus out. Will this even work? Who knows? This is about 100 meters away or 335 feet away. And let's go back to myself. That's what we're doing right now. What are my thoughts on this device in terms of how it feels? It has some weight to it. It's actually feels better quality than I expected, something that's fairly cheap to actually have. And I love how easy it works. Though I should be automatic focusing rather than playing with this on my 5.5-inch camera monitor. Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sparky Studio. Help this channel grow. Have a look around because I do a lot of audio equipment testing and I'm doing a lot of studio equipment, RGB light and boom pole and many other things. Until next time, have yourselves the most wonderful day.